Now that you have seen object destructuring in action, array destructuring is even simpler. Grab this script, create a new file. Define const courses is the array is equal to within square brackets, within single quotes, define the array of courses, Angular coming out soon, comma, React that is also coming out soon, comma, Node, three of my popular courses that will be out soon. Once we define that, now to assign the values of each of these to individual variables, we could simply use the object destructuring syntax const followed by square brackets this time. For object destructuring, it was Angular brackets. For array destructuring, it is square brackets within which you can use the variable names to which you want to assign these values to. X, comma, Y or course 1, comma, course 2, comma, course 3. And automatically these values will be assigned to the appropriate variable if you use is equal to the array name is equal to courses. Console.log will give you course 1, 2 and 3. Copy that, paste it a couple of times, course 2 and course 3. Save it under destructuring as arrays or arrays.html. Open arrays.html in your web browser. Look at the console and you see all the 3 courses listed. So the syntax here is simply const var or let followed by square brackets. Provide all the variable names in the square brackets, and on the right hand side your array should be given.